Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today is Sunday, beginning of May, well, the early May. I'm going to be just showing you this. This is my vertical planter, my Tipsy pot planter. As you can see, everything's starting to really look well. This year, I'm about 4 to 6 weeks behind because of the cold weather. Normally, I'd put stuff out beginning of May, but this year it's been June. Everything's catching up. As you can see, they're beautiful petunias. And this one is electric, the colour. Wow. Nice one on the top there. Really gorgeous. Everything here has been grown from seed. Oh, I think just a couple of begonias. The tubers from last year. But these are really starting to look well. Look at those. All this is made of is one piece of probably 6 foot roofing batten I got out of a skip. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pots. The bottom one has just 4 holes put in and just a piece of cross just to keep it stable, and then some bricks in the bottom, and then planted up. I have tied it off to this, that way it stops it moving about, because as you can see, a lot of weight there. If that wasn't there, it would definitely go over. But yeah, from the top, petunias, which I'll be taking some cuttings from very soon. Some lovely lobelia that's just starting to flower. These nasturtiums, I always pronounce that wrong, are absolutely gorgeous. I think what I should have done though is planted one on each side. I've got them both on one side. But yeah, as we go over here, this is a pelargonium that I grew from seed last year. I just like the way they're exploding, the leaves there, the petals. And then I have there this beautiful begonia, which is really starting to come into its own. Petunias down there. Beautiful lobelia. Look at the flowers on that, absolutely gorgeous. This side, nasturtiums, and then a couple of petunias again, with some lobelia mixed in. This one, a pelargonium, that's a cutting. I got them from, I think, 5 Bricks Nurseries last year. And look at the flowers on those begonias, absolutely gorgeous. As we come down to the bottom, some more petunias, and a couple of dahlias that I'd left over. I thought I'll just plant them in here, see how they do. They're looking really well, but I'll probably have to stake them. So yeah, that's just a quick catch up on my vertical planter. As you can see, as you walk back, all those pots would take up so much space in my garden at the front of my property that doing it this way, I'm definitely going to make another one for the opposite side of the porch next year, and that will look really well. I'll definitely have my plants a little bit further on as well. So remember, if you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask. If you like the videos, please subscribe. Remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, please keep safe. Thank you, bye.